How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in a mobile device. After that, head towards your chat section by tapping on the chat icon or the message icon at the top right from the home page. Now you have to go to the chat that you want to hide. Since the Instagram does not have a built-in archive feature for direct messages like WhatsApp or Messenger, so the alternative way to hide your chats without deleting them is to restrict the user, which is the best alternative method. So in order to restrict this user, head towards their profile name at the top of the chat page and tap on it. Once you land on this page, here scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and here tap on Restrict. And then tap on Restrict. And once you have restricted this account, again open up Instagram, head towards your chat section. As you can see, now the chat has been hidden without having to delete the chat. To unhide it, you have to go to the message request and tap on hidden request, or if you're not able to find it right there, you can search for the account name in the search bar and then restrict the account from there or unrestrict the account from there. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.